Cribs are a crucial piece of furniture as it supports and comforts your baby and helps them get the sleep they need. Really, for the first 3 years of their life, your baby will spend more time in their crib than anywhere else. Cribs, of course, need to be safe, well-built, and comfortable. Nothing is too good for your precious little one. Cribs can accommodate newborns up to the age of 5 and beyond. Some new parents may find it overwhelming with all the various options and choices that are out there. To help you decide which crib is best for your baby, we've reviewed the top 5 baby cribs available on the market. So join us as we introduce them one at a time. Let's begin. At number 1 is the Storcraft Portofino 4-in-1 convertible crib and changer. It's the perfect all-in-one sleep, storage, and changing solution for your baby's nursery. This crib is built to last. There's excellent storage to keep all of baby's things organized. Its dimensions are 43 inches high, 71 inches wide, and 32.5 inches deep. It weighs 125 pounds. The solid wood construction of this crib uses non-toxic materials with a durable finish. It features a sleigh design and converts into a toddler bed, day bed, and a full-size bed. This versatile crib will provide your child with a cushy place to sleep from infancy to adolescence. The Storcraft Portofino also features a changing table that's attached to the side of the crib. It includes 3 roomy drawers within the front and 3 open shelves for extra storage in the rear. When it's time to convert the crib to a bed, you can just detach the changing table and use it as a nightstand. It also includes a waterproof vinyl changing pad. This crib and changing table set packs an adjustable 3-position mattress support base to enrich its security and stability. And with the 4-in-1 functionality, the adjustable mattress height system, it allows you to vary the height as your child grows and prevents them from climbing out. At number 2 is the Baby Mod Modina 3-in-1 convertible crib. This versatile gray crib converts into a toddler bed with a quick, easy rail attachment. It has clean lines and an overall shape, which make it perfect for a modern nursery. It's made from sustainable pinewood from New Zealand and has a beautiful non-toxic finish with an elegant look. This crib offers 4 different mattress support positions that allow you to customize it to fit your little one. It has a fixed side design to ensure stability. There's no moving parts, and it has stationary sides for safety. Its dimensions are 54 by 30 by 35 inches and weighs 68 pounds. Full-size bed rails are required as it converts from a crib to a toddler bed and then into a full-size bed. The crib mattress is sold separately, but it can be adjusted between 3 different angles. The Baby Mod Modina 3-in-1 crib is designed to fit a standard-sized crib mattress. The crib is stylish, eco-friendly, and affordable. Before we continue, we'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to our channel. We put up videos just like this one to help you decide before you make a purchase. While you're at it, click the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever we drop a new review. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the Dream On Me Classic 3-in-1 crib. This product has a very classy style with some great features. It's a versatile crib that adjusts to 3 different sizes and converts into a bed as your child grows. Aside from being budget-friendly, it can also match other furniture easily. There's a lot to like about this 3-in-1 convertible crib. First of all, it's made of high-quality solid pine with a stained finish free of any lead or latex. With the height positions available, it provides versatility and safety for when your baby begins to roll, crawl, or pull themselves up. The wheels are practical and it can help you easily move the crib from one room to another, and you can certainly lock the wheels when not in use to make sure it doesn't roll away. It's available in white, cherry, natural, black, and espresso colors, and you'll love the simplicity of this classic design. Another feature of this crib that you'll surely love is it allows you to convert from a crib to a toddler's bed with a rail, and you can remove the rail to form a day bed. The Dream On Me Classic 3-in-1 convertible crib is sturdy, and the wood and its attachments are solid. And still, the entire crib only weighs 36 pounds. Its dimensions are 54 by 31 by 40. At number 4 is the Delta Children Getaway 4-in-1 convertible crib. It's clean and simple. It blends well with any decor and helps create a cozy, comfortable space for years to come. Babies will start their life in style with a nursery that grows with them. Providing a safe and secure place for your child to sleep, it's functional and trendy. It features a classic design combined with careful craftsmanship. The crib portion comes with 3 different mattress positions that you can use to ensure the comfort and your baby's safety. Plus, it converts into a toddler bed, day bed, and full-size bed with headboard. With the assembled product dimensions are 54 by 30 by 40 inches and it weighs 57 pounds. It's made of real wood and not veneer, so it's sturdy and built for years of use. The Delta Children Gateway is perfect for parents who need it to grow with their child but don't need all the bells and whistles. We always love reading your comments and suggestions, so please don't hesitate to interact with us. Check out some of our past reviews and they may give you an idea for your future buying decisions. And now let's check out our last item. At number 5 is the Dream On Me 2-in-1 Folding Portable Mini Crib. It has unique pivots that permit the crib to overlap its levels for reduced capacity for travel and fixed non-drop side rail plane, which provides stability. Weighing at only 32 pounds, this crib is straightforward to maneuver and handle. The patented design allows the crib to be used as a crib or playpen. No tools are required to switch from one function to the other. It's foldable for easy storage and ideal as a travel option. This crib comes with a 1-inch mattress, but the manufacturer also sells more substantial mattresses if the crib gets heavy use. It's a reasonable choice for grandparents who need a crib that appears and works sort of like a standard crib, but is simply a touch smaller and easier to store. The Dream On Me 2-in-1 is made first and foremost with security of your little one in mind. It's multifunctional, convenient, and safe. And there you have it, the 5 best cribs on the market today. Now it's time to make a choice and help your baby be more comfortable as they grow. We hope this list helped you make a decision on your purchasing options, and if you're checking out one of the links below, you'll get a great offer and delivered right to your doorstep. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know and our team will get to work to give you just what you're looking for. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be updated when we drop a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here on the ReviewTube channel.